So you have to understand that they would value a 17-year-old having knowledge, but if you do not have the knowledge, even if you are 50, you would not see that respect coming to you. Okay, so if you want to gain the respect, share the right kind of knowledge with them. And I have seen very Gen Z's become extremely humble if you are able to contribute something to them which they don't know. Do not give them gyan, because that they get it from YouTube. I always tell that.
Yeah.
Be a mentor, except when you don't know something, and they would value you more than you telling I know everything. Okay, so these are few behavioral differences which are there between Gen Z and millennials. And for that, what organizations or as individuals, as managers, what you should do is start giving them that scope that they can come back with a mistake to you and say that, hey, listen, I did this wrong. Or even start giving them that scope that they can come back and give you corrective. I always say, walk the talk. So if you're telling that we are open for feedback, you should actually be open for feedback. If a chap is coming and telling, ma'am, you use this is a very old way of exhibiting data, and I feel you should use this, accept it. Only if you do that, tomorrow when you give him a feedback, he will accept it. Yeah. And few of the things which out of the thing which you can do to collaborate these people is push the millennials to drop down their ego chairs and sit with their team.